teachers, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to everyone on this morning as we celebrate our Independence Day. Today we remember the great heroes who fought for our freedom. We also celebrate how much India has grown from our historic victory to reaching the moon. We stand tall and proud as Indians today. Let us start our celebration by seeking blessings through our morning prayer. Every morning brings new hope and wisdom. Let us hear today's thought of the day. Freedom is not just a gift we received, it is a responsibility we carry every day. When we do our best in school and help others, we make our India stronger. Thank you. Tune in, turn up and get ready. It's time for Ruby Radio, where our top house reporters bring you the hottest news live from the studio desk. It makes our hearts swell with pride to hear about India's achievements. To begin our grade-wise recitations, we invite our young guest stars of Grade 1N. Please welcome Grade 1N. She will perform on a poem named In My India. My India is proud and free, a beautiful land for you and me. The tricolour flies high, with carrots shining in the sky. We love our country, brave and true. We keep it clean in all we do. With happy hearts we sing today. India, India, hip, hip, hooray. We are the children strong and bright. We will make India shine with light. Thank you. What a wonderful performance by Grade 1 and let us give her a big round of applause. India is a land of many languages and cultures, but our hearts beat is as one. To celebrate this togetherness, let us invite the sweet dancers of Grade 3 with their patriotic dance.
So guys,
Thank you, friends. That song reminded us that no matter where we come from, we are all children of India. Now to fill our hearts with energy and courage, student of grade 2, 30 will bring us a famous Hindi poem, Hum Bachche.
नमस्ते। हम बच्चे हंसते गाते हैं, हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, पथ पर बिखरे कंकर काटे हम चुन चुन कर दूर हटाते हैं। आए कितनी भी बाधाएं हम कभी नहीं घबराते हैं। धन दौलत से ऊपर उठकर सपनों के महल बनाते हैं। हम खुशी बांटते दुनिया को, हम हंसते और हंसाते हैं। सारे जग में सबसे अच्छे हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
That was full of energy and passion. Thank you, friend. Next, to celebrate our beautiful state and motherland, student of grade 4, Tanvi will recite a classic Hindi poem.
नमस्ते। तिरंगे का कर्ज, लाल रक्त से धरा नहाई, श्वेत नथ पर ललिमा छाई। आजादी के 9 अध्यायों पे सबने वीरों की गाथा गाई। गांधी, नेहरू, पटेल, सुभाष की ध्वनि चारों ओर है छाई। भगत, राजगुरु और सुखदेव की कुर्बानी से आंखें भर आई। ए भारत माता तुझसे अनोखी और अद्भुत मान हमने पाई। हमारे रंगों में तेरे कर्ज की एक एक बूंद समाई। माथे पर है बांधे कफन और तेरी रक्षा की कसम है खाई। सरहद पे खड़े रहकर आजादी की रीत निभाई, आजादी की रीत निभाई। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, my friend. Give them a loud cheer. Now we welcome the students of grade 1 and 2 for a dance. A heart-touching salute to the soldiers guarding our borders day and night.
चले माई चलती
ओ मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है। जानिया हमको ये जमाना,
Thank you, my friend. Our soldiers inspire us to be brave and dedicated to carry forward this feeling. Today's India is unstoppable. From local markets to space exploration, young India is reaching new heights. Here is from grade 4 with an English speech celebrating modern India's triumphs.
Good morning, everyone. Today I do not want to begin with a date. Instead, I want to ask you a question. What does a freedom sound like? Is it the sound of our national anthem? Is it the flutter of a dry color in the wind? Or is it the laughter of children who can dream without fear? Every morning, when we walk into school with our bags on our shoulders, we hardly stop to think that learning itself is a freedom. We rush in hoping we remembered our homework or at least remembered a believable explanation for not doing it. But beneath all that, we speak our thoughts, we celebrate our festivals, we play with our friends, or dream about becoming a scientist, an artist, a teacher, or an astronaut. We are living a gift of freedom. But freedom is not simply about whatever we want. Real freedom begins with a responsibility. So, a bird can fly because it has wings. A nation can soar because it has people values. So every time we tell the truth, respect others, keep our surroundings clean, or help in need, or stand up for what is right, we are quietly strengthening our country. Our freedom is not protected at the borders by brave soldiers. It is also protected in classrooms where children's Thank you.
Good morning. This morning, I don't want to begin with a day. Instead, I want to begin with a memory of one cricket shot, one Olympic throw, and one gentle landing on the moon. When MS Dhoni's winning six disappeared into Mumbai night sky, millions of Indians celebrated as
1. When Neeraj Chopra won India's first Olympic gold medal in athletics, it felt through every Indian heart and stood beside him at the podium. When Chandrayaan 3 softly touched the lunar surface of the moon, the whole nation counted down together, held its breath together, and celebrated together. Different moments, different dreams, but the same heartbeat. That is the power of India. People often ask, what does freedom means? Is freedom simply just the absence of chain or something much greater than that? Freedom is the opportunity to learn, to ask questions, and to dream without fear. To become a scientist, an artist, a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, and or simply just a good human being. But freedom also comes with responsibility. A nation does not become great with the people doing extraordinary things. It becomes great with ordinary people quietly doing extraordinary things every single day. A teacher who inspires a child, a farmer who grows our food, a sanitation worker who keeps our streets clean, a soldier who stands awake while the nation sleeps, and even students who choose honesty over cheating, kindness over bullying, and responsibility over excuses. Do you know what I love most about India? Different prayers, different languages, and different traditions. Yet they all rise into the same sky. The tricolor begins to rise. The national anthem fills the air. Thank you.
That was powerful. Now it is time to celebrate with music and dance. Put your hands together for an exciting high energy dance mashed up by our talented dancers from grade 4.
दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो
performance. The stage was filled with colors, joy, and patriotic pride. India is a land of many voices, many dreams, and one powerful spirit. So put your hands together and welcome our students from grade 3 and 4 as they take the stage with their powerful beats.
Angel on the track. I'ma let it be.
750 schoolgirls build a satellite small. Send it into orbit, flying way past the star. Flying near the space station, round the blue earth. Miracles now show roads and doors. In the desert sand with a hot sun glows. Thousand of solar panels standing in rows. Bright, turning red, sunlight into green power flow, lighting up our school with a clean, shiny glow. Check the board, check the square. 18-year-old Gukesh won the crown right there. Youngest world champion playing black and white, making grandmaster moves from morning to night.
Neeraj took a run, gave a mighty throw, watched the silver javelin soar and glow over 85 meters through the summer air. Cheer for Team India everywhere.
Pragyan overrolled on the dusty moon, leaving each a stamp like a moon cartoon. Chandrayaan 4 is going real soon to fetch us moon rock space tail balloon. Back in the front, march in the back. Super army dogs wearing goggles in black, jumping out of choppers with soldiers brave and strong, keeping India safe all day long. Hit it for a 4, smash it for a 6. Indian women's cricket team got the winning tricks. Home run beaten team held the trophy up high, chasing down the scores straight to the sky. Left hook, right hook, quickly on their feet. Indian boxing champion cannot be beat. Bringing home the gold medal from across the sea, punching their way straight to victory. Push the train with a super fast sound. Vande Bharat Express zooming all around. Sleek wide engine gliding on a track, getting to a destination, bringing you back.
We thank all our teachers, practicing students, and technical staff for making this assembly a huge success. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Vande Mataram. With respect and pride for our nation, let us all join together for the national anthem. We request everyone to kindly stand up and sing it softly, maintaining dignity and respect throughout. No, I not participate.
rest of the students, please stand in one line.
Assembly सावधान.
You are in Saudhan position and you are laughing. Shall we sing along, sir, there?